This chunky knit throw blanket from LAGRATY uses plush chenille yarn and a handwoven construction that feels luxuriously soft and cozy against the skin. The thick cable knit design gives it a substantial, comforting weight without feeling overly heavy, making it ideal for curling up on the couch or adding warmth at the foot of the bed. Breathable spacing between the stitches keeps the blanket warm yet not stifling, so it works well in multiple seasons and for people who tend to overheat easily. The yarn and weave have been tested for durability, so the blanket resists shedding, pilling, and stretching out of shape with regular use. A range of sizes and colors makes it easy to match different decor styles, whether you want a bold accent piece or a softer, neutral layer. The fact that this chenille throw is machine washable when placed in a protective laundry bag and dried gently makes it far more practical than many other chunky knit blankets that require delicate hand care.